Good morning, children. Standard 9, Unit 3, History, Early Tamil Society and Culture. Early Tamil Society and Culture. Tamil civilization, as we have seen, begins at least 3 centuries before the Common Era. The Tamil Brahmi script was adopted to write Tamil language. The classical language poems were composed. Okay, now let us come to the major topic. Sources for the study of early Tamil society. Sources for the study of early Tamil society. The classical Sangam Tamil literature. The classical Sangam Tamil literature. Next, Tolkapiyam. Next, epigraphy. Tamil Brahmi inscription. Tamil Brahmi inscription. Hero stones. Hero stones. Inscriptions. Inscription. Archaeological sites. Archaeological sites. Material culture. Material culture.
Sources for the study of early Tamil society. The sources for reconstructing the history of ancient Tamils are classical Tamil literature, epigraphy, archaeological excavation and material culture, non-Tamil and foreign literature. Next, the classical Sangam Tamil literature. The classical Sangam collection consists of Tolkapiyam, Padinen Melkanakku and Padinen Keelkanakku and the 5 epics. Tolkapiyam. Tolkapiyam attributed to Tolkapiya. It is the earliest written work on Tamil grammar. Next, Ettuthoggai. Natchinai, Paripadal, Aingurunooru, Agananooru, Kurunthoggai, Paditruppathu, Kalitthoggai, Purananooru. Next, Pattupaattu. Tirumurugaatrupadai, பெருநானற்றுப்படை, பெரும்பாணற்றுப்படை, சிறுபாணற்றுப்படை, முல்லைப்பாட்டு, நெடுநல்வாடை, மதுரை காஞ்சி, குறிஞ்சிப்பாட்டு, பட்டினப்பாலை, மலைப்படுகடாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் பதினெண் கீழ்கணக்கு. பதினெண் கீழ்கணக்கு comprise 18 texts elaborating on ethics and morals. In 1330, the complex Tirukkural considered questions of morality, statecraft and love. 5 epics. The epics are copium or along the narrative poem of every for very high quality. They are Silappadigaram, Manimekalai, Sivaka Sindamani, Valayapadi, Kundalagesi. Epigraphy. Epigraphy is the study of inscription. Inscription are documents scripted on stone, copper plates and other media such as coins, rings, etc. Tamil Brahmi inscription. Tamil Brahmi inscription have been found in more than 30 sites in Tamil Nadu, mostly on cave surfaces and rock shelters. These caves were the abodes of monks, mostly Jaina monks. The sites have smooth stone beds curved on rock surface for monks who lead a simple life and lived in these shelters. Merchants and kings converted this natural formation as habitation for monks who have renounced worldly life. The example, Mangalam, Mattupatti, Pugalur. Next, hero stones. Hero stones are memorial erected for those who lost their life in the battles and in cattle raids. As cattle were considered as important source of wealth, raiding cattle owned by adjoining tribes and clans were common practice in a pastoral society. Tribal chieftains plundered the cattle wealth of enemies. Memorial stones were erected in their honor. Tolkapiyam describes the procedure for erecting hero stone. Inscription. The pottery vessels from the early historic period have names of people engraved on them in Tamil script. The portions have been discovered in Arikamedu, Alagankulam, Kodumanal, Keeladi and many other sites in Tamil Nadu. Next, archaeological site. Archaeological excavation refers to systematically digging a site to recover material evidence for exploring and interpreting society of the past. Archaeological excavation at the early historic sites are the sources of evidence of the activities of Sangam age people. Excavation at Archimedes, Alagankulam, Urayur. The Archaeological Survey of India is a central government agency that manages archaeological sites and monuments in India. Next, material culture. Archaeologists have found evidence of brick structures and industrial activities, as well as artifacts such as beads, bangles, cameos, and other materials in these sites.
Next, discuss the topic coins. Non-Tamil sources. Non-Tamil source, that means foreign accounts. Arthasastra, Mahavamsa, Periplus of Erythraean Sea, Periplus of Erythraean Sea, Pliny Plini's Natural History, Ptolemy's Geography, Phoenician Table, another one, Vienna Papyrus.
Next, discuss the topic coins. Coins as a medium of exchange were introduced for the first time in the Sangam age. The coins of the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandyas. Punch-marked coins and Roman coins from another important sources of evidence from the Sangam age. Punch-marked coins have been found at Kodumanal and Bodinaikanur. Roman coins are concentrated in the Coimbatore region and are found at Alagankulam, Karur and Madurai. Next, punch-marked coins. Punch-marked coins are the earliest coins used in India. They are mostly made up of silver and have numerous symbols punched on them. Hence, they are known as punch-marked coins. Next, non-Tamil sources, otherwise foreign accounts. Non-Tamil literary sources have offered information on early Tamil society. The presence of the non-Tamil sources reveals the extensive context and interactions of the early Tamil society with the outside world. Next, Arthasastra. Arthasastra, the classic work on economy and statecraft authorized by Kautilya during the Mauryan period. Mahavamsa. The Sri Lankan Buddhist chronicle, composed in the Pali language, mention merchants and horse traders from Tamil Nadu and South India. Next, Periplus of Erythraean Sea. Periplus of Erythraean Sea is an ancient Greek text whose author is not known. The term periplus means navigational guide used by sailors. Erythraean Sea refers to the waters around the Red Sea. Next, Pliny's Natural History. Pliny the Elder was a Roman who wrote natural history, written in Latin. It is next on the natural wealth of Roman Empire. Next, Ptolemy's Geography. Ptolemy's Geography is a gazetteer and atlas of Roman Empire, providing the geographical details of Roman Empire in the 2nd century AD. Next, the Peregrine Table. The Peregrine Table is an illustrated map of the Roman roads. It shows the areas of ancient Tamilagam and the port of Musiri. Next, the Vienna Papyrus. Vienna Papyrus, a Greek document datable to the 2nd century AD, mentioned the Musiri's trade of olden days. Thank you.